Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Akiva and today we are jumping back in with Alien Isolation. Now, if you remember last time, we had just got... Why is it not moving? Oh, because my controller got unplugged. That's why. Okay, that's better. Sorry about that, folks. But we had just gotten back to Trainer here. Let's see, where do we need to go now? We need to get to transit control. And somehow, I'm thinking it's not going to be quite as easy as just finding a vent or a hallway over there. Those are all locked. What's over here real quick? Closed doors. Oh, hey. We've been that way? Yes, we've been that way. So let's go up these steps, because I don't think we've been this way. And that doesn't show anything, so we'll go up here. Got 5 rounds for the revolver. Hopefully that's enough. Hopefully we don't run into the xenomorph. Let me get crouched here so I'm not making so much noise as I'm walking along. God. Even this far into the game, I am loving the atmosphere for this. Really catches the sci-fi scene of the 70s. Okay. So. Oh boy. I'm going to see if I can open up this other door real quick. Or if it's just locked. No, I got to restore power to it. Is that in this area? Take a quick look around. So. And also, I have a feeling that I've missed a lot of blueprints and stuff. So, if I have... where's the... Oh, there it is. Okay, turn that off. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. If I've missed anything, you know, leave me a note in the comments and let me know. Because I think I have. Not quite certain, but I think I have. Okay. Pipe wrench. Okay. What was that? I don't know, but I am not... What's over here? Anything over here worth taking? No? Okay. I'm not real comfortable about the area I'm in. What's with the big red X? Let's remove the brace here. There we go. And call the elevator. There's going to be something on the elevator or something. That elevator is taking a while. Okay. Nothing on the elevator. To transit control. Alright. What do we do once we get there? It just says to get there still. Oh, fudge sickles. Ooh, new flashbang. Okay, so we're going to be dealing with the xenomorph here. Whoops. Or people, probably. I'm guessing xenomorph, considering the size of this room. Oh boy. This is no bueno.
Someone shut everything off. know someone's in here.
It's a person.
Oh God, not again.
Oh. How did I just straight up miss? There we go. I wasted way too many bullets on you, dude. Take it all. Okay, I've got too many bonding agents. Okay. I got 4 revolver rounds again. So let us reload them all real quick. Come on, put that last one in. There we go. What's that? More revolver ammo. Yes! I have a full clip. Full drum? Barrel? Whatever it's called. Alright. This is... I have no idea how to fix this. Probably shouldn't have killed him until after I had that figured out, but... Oh, what's this? What's this? Use the lever. Gotta turn everything on. Is there another one on the other side? This is not good. Oh, I have to go further forward. Okay. Well.
You shouldn't be here.
Oh. Where are you?
Strange.
Oh, you're up there. There you are. Where are you going, Synthetic? Mr. Working Joe? Mr. Bald, pale, and annoying?
There's still something amiss here.
Well, no duh, you're standing over a dead man.
I've got all day.
Don't see me, I'm too far away.
Unexplained disturbances are most troubling. Core duties have been neglected for no gain.
I'm hiding, you don't see me.
This could require my attention.
No,
You really shouldn't be here.
you do see me. Alright. Oh, crap. Nope. Yeah, no. Had to use all my rounds for that. That was stupid. Okay, I should have just hid.
This is Waits. The transit's here. We're waiting on you.
Take it. I had some trouble, so it's gonna take me a while to get back.
Great.
Taylor can't. I can catch the next car.
Your call.
Okay, well, I now have an empty revolver again, because I'm an idiot. What was that? Oh, flare. Nothing. Okay. What's that? Bonding agents. Item maxed. So let us actually create some things here. Bumper. There we go. Let us... No. Smoke bomb. Yeah, let's create the smoke bomb. Whoops. There we go. There. Now we've got something to distract people with, at least. I hope nothing comes up and attacks me while I'm looking at this. Restart the transit. Okay. Double crossed. Okay. Shared audio utility. Okay. So nothing overly of use. Safe station. Another body to search. Take all of that. Okay. Ooh, gas torch. That will come in handy. There was a use that just popped up there. Oh. No, turn that off. Keep that off. Thank you. Scrap. Definitely. Hey, come on. Now that I've made some room, pick that up. Can never go wrong with getting as much as you can carry. Just so long as it doesn't slow you down. So go ahead and save. Oh, no. I said save. Thank you. There we go. Okay. Now, what frights are waiting for us here? Get back to the train station, so... suppose I will need to cut through here. Yep. Okay. Long, slow cutting process. It's actually sped up. Because in real life, this would take hours. You know, maybe not hours, but longer than this anyway. But this game wants to cut to the chase. Yes, yes, bad, stupid pun. Bad Akiva. Oh boy. I think since I'm being forced this way, I'm not going to meet the xenomorph in here. But still, cramped area with all of this, yeah. Okay. Oh, and I came down in that room that I was looking to get in earlier. Okay. Ooh, ethanol. We'll go ahead and play that.
We need supplies. Take what you can
Ooh, ID tag.
I found an area in habitation where we can seal ourselves in and wait for rescue. I've got guys welding vents shut and shutting off elevators. Plan is to make it watertight. There's no room for more people in the sanctuary, but we can make space for their food, meds, water, and guns. If we're gonna get everyone through this alive, there's no room for...
Okay, get through here. Yeah.
Ripley, we heard voices as we left. Watch yourself.
Oh boy. Which tram do I need to take? That one. Okay. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and save. and we'll save the rest for the next mission. I do apologize for keeping this a little bit shorter than my usual 25-30 minute video. However, I am trying to shorten things up because YouTube has been giving me a little bit of a problem with uploading, and I want to see if the file size is the issue. It shouldn't be, but we'll find out. So, if you liked what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be alerted faster than the subscribe buttons are alerting everyone, follow me on Facebook and Twitter. The links for that are down in the description below. So, until next time, you guys kick back, relax, and enjoy your games.